Look directly at the full-size executive sedan grid. It is facing a highly aggressive and immediate structural disruption. Geely has officially deployed its next-generation wide-body hybrid weapon, the all-new Geely Xingrui L PLUS, internally designated under the FS21 architecture. By stretching this platform to a commanding 4,956 millimeters in length, Geely is completely bypassing localized budget categories. They are aiming this machine straight at the absolute peak of the global sedan grid. This is a highly calculated, premium evolution designed to lock horns with prominent global benchmarks. We are mapping its core telemetry directly against its fiercest competitors, the dominant BYD Seal DM-i, the hyper-advanced Xiaomi SU7, and traditional legacy giants like the Toyota Camry Hybrid. Geely is tracking to prove that you no longer need to compromise on footprint, tech, or efficiency to capture a true executive experience. Open the doors and step into the multi-tiered digital sanctuary to analyze exactly how Geely plans to outcompete the dominant tech ecosystems, specifically targeting the high-profile Xiaomi SU7. This interior layout is a massive data statement, presenting a spacious cabin flat that thoroughly shifts executive expectations. Look at the hardware infrastructure anchoring the driver interface. The cockpit is completely controlled by Geely's new Flyme Auto 2 smart system, displayed beautifully across a floating 15.4-inch 2.5K central matrix and backed by a crisp 16.6-inch high-definition head-up display. The processing power is exceptionally quick, running complex, multi-layered UI transitions and advanced background diagnostic tasks with zero latency, while integrating an EVA intelligent robot assistant that responds to voice telemetry in milliseconds. Unlike traditional mainstream sedans that rely on basic, cheap optical cameras, the Xingrui L PLUS houses an advanced sensor pod featuring a high-definition LiDAR array. This gives the FS21 a massive, defensive computing edge over its legacy rivals. It maps overlapping lane paths, projects precise environmental vectoring, and coordinates smooth, automated pilot trajectories. While the Xiaomi SU7 relies heavily on pure smartphone integration theater, Geely counters with an ultra-premium, highly tactile lounge, pairing 14-point intelligent massage seating profiles and a 23-speaker Flyme sound system with deep, architectural computing dominance. It is an incredibly sophisticated setup designed to isolate the passengers from the chaos outside. But move past the digital ecosystem and run the raw engineering metrics on the mechanical propulsion framework. This is where the hybrid war turns completely cutthroat. Against the established Toyota Camry Hybrid and the BYD Seal DM-i, the Xingrui L PLUS deploys Geely's newest, highly advanced 1.5 TD hybrid powertrain. This engine operates at an industry-leading thermal efficiency rating, paired to a highly unique 3-speed intelligent variable frequency DHT transmission. The real-world telemetry is staggering. While traditional executive sedans struggle to break past standard efficiency boundaries, the FS21 drops its fuel consumption down to a blistering 3.98 liters per 100 kilometers under strict conditions. It delivers instantaneous, torque-vectored acceleration, hitting 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.5 seconds flat, while thoroughly undercutting the fuel costs of its primary Japanese and domestic rivals. It proves that Geely has refined its power domain mapping to an absolute science. Let's bring this competitive telemetry mapping to a highly definitive, clinical conclusion. Does the new Geely Xingrui L PLUS officially hold the absolute edge over its premium segment rivals, or is the competition simply too deeply entrenched? Look at the objective market data. If you're a buyer who strictly demands the long-standing, predictable resale safety of a Toyota Camry or the intense, pure EV lifestyle branding of a Xiaomi SU7, you will likely stay within those boundaries. But if you analyze this layout with clinical logic, looking strictly at what you capture per dollar, Geely has engineered an incredibly smart, terrifyingly complete package. by wrapping a massive 5-meter wide body footprint, a hyper-frugal 3.98-liter hybrid powertrain, a deep LiDAR automation network, and a high-compute digital lounge into one unified platform. They have set an entirely new benchmark for the executive class. I'm Ava. Tell me in the comments if you would park the Xingrui L PLUS on your driveway over its BYD and Toyota rivals. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, turn your notifications on, and I will see you in the next analysis.